There is one question you need to ask yourself about your friends. Is this person truly happy for me? I want to do a different kind of video today, talking about fake friends. And it's very simple. If you ever doubt that your friend doesn't truly, honestly support you, if you ever worry that your friend is actually happy for you when you share good news, if you ever had that sneaky, terrible suspicion that something your friend said was secretly passive-aggressive or mean, then that person might not be a real friend. They might be a fake friend, and those fake friends are slowing you down. They are draining you, and I say no more fake friends. Here's how. Let's keep this really simple. I want to teach you the life-changing magic of saying no. Many of you have probably heard of the amazing Marie Kondo, who created the KonMari method of decluttering your life. Well, I want to teach you the VanEdwards method of detoxifying your relationships. We can use the exact same KonMari principles for relationships. For example, in the KonMari method, you take each item in your home and lay them all out. Then you hold each object one by one and ask yourself, does this item spark joy? If yes, you keep it and cherish it. Do you spark joy? Yes. Do you spark joy? Do you spark joy? I don't even know what you are. Then it goes to Goodwill. Now, you can't exactly do this with each person in your life. It might get a little awkward. Do you spark joy? Yes. You stay. Do you spark joy? No. Goodwill. But we can use the VanEdwards method non-awkwardly. Let's do this with all the people in your life. Here's how. Grab a stack of Post-it notes and pen. And list every single person in your life. Do it now. Pause me if you need to. Okay, got them? Good. You should have at least 20 different people. Include everyone you interact with. Second, pick up each Post-it note and think of the last time you were with this person. Did it spark joy? Did you like being with them? Or did you feel any doubt or suspicion or dread? For the VanEdwards method, you actually have 3 piles. The first pile is for people who definitely spark joy. These are people you should go make plans with right now. They give you energy. Do you spark joy? Yes. The second pile is for people who you aren't quite sure about, but need to do more research. These are the people who you need to get together with and do a serious gut check. Give them a hug and ask yourself, do they really spark joy? Do you spark joy? Maybe. And the third pile is for people who you do not want to have in your life. They need to go to Goodwill. Do you spark joy? No. Here's the thing. You deserve to be around people who support you. You are worthy of incredible relationships. It's time you start to say no to the people in your life who aren't true friends. I recommend doing this relationship spring cleaning at least once a year. Grab your Post-its, gather your courage, and leverage the life-changing magic of just saying no. You got this. Hey, I want to tell you one more thing. You are amazing. The question is, do you know how to share it? I'd love to help. I save my very best tips for my insider subscribers. Subscribe for free at scienceofpeople.com. I know your inbox is sacred, so I promise to send you only emails you will love.